Now students, let us discuss the houses, drains and the streets. So if we talk about the houses were 1 or 2 stories high. The rooms were built around the courtyard. As you can see over here, the rooms that were there in the houses, they were built around the courtyard. And the separate bathing area was present in the houses of the Harappan cities. And also some of the houses had wells to supply water. And many of the Harappan cities had covered drains. This was about the houses. Now if we talk about the drains, many of the Harappan cities had covered drains and were laid down in straight line. We can say they were laid down in a straight line, and they used to have a gradient slope. They used to have a slope so that water from higher level to lower level can flow easily. So the drains and were laid down in straight lines, having a gentle slope. So there is no difficulty to water to travel from one place to another. So drains in houses were somehow connected to drains on the streets. They were connected to drains on the street. Suppose this was house and there was an outlet of a drain. So this drain was somehow connected to the drains that were laid down on the streets. Now one street was somehow connected to bigger drain and it was again connected to bigger drain. So now we can see from this thing, as the drains were somehow connected from one to another, they were somehow well planned. This is how smaller drains led into bigger drains. Now due to covered drains, inspection holes. Now drains were covered, so inspection holes were made so that they could have been cleaned after a fixed interval of time. Now all three, if we talk about houses, drains and streets, they were somehow well planned and built at the same time. Now if we talk about the life in the city, so Harappan city was a very busy place. Rulers were the planners who actually planned the construction of the buildings in the city, and now they used to send the people to the distant lands to get some metals, precious stones, etc. for the construction work. Now the rulers kept valuable objects for themselves, and they also had scribes. Now who were scribes? Scribes were basically the people who used to write for them, and they were also people who used to help them in preparing the seals. Besides all these, there were men, women, craft persons making all kinds of things, either from homes or from special workshops. People traveled to distant lands. When they used to travel to distant lands, they used to get some raw material from there. But along with raw material, they also used to get some stories to tell to the people. So from these Harappan sites, many terracotta toys also have been found, and it is believed that these terracotta toys might be used by the children for play.